Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable WebGL 2.0 on Chrome. Let's get started. Open up the Chrome browser and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, simply tap on this three dot. Scroll below, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below again and then simply tap on System section. And here, make sure all of these options are turned on. Especially use graphic acceleration when available. After confirming this, head back to the Chrome. And then in the address bar, simply type in chrome://flag. Now press enter and you'll see this kind of interface. At the very top search bar, simply type in WebGL. And then you'll see options like WebGL Developer Extension, WebGL Draft Extension, and similar entries. Click on the drop down and then simply tap on Enable. Once all the WebGL related flags are enabled, Chrome will prompt you to restart. After the restart, WebGL 2.0 will be active on your browser. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.